Alright y'all, this is Cat421 here. Figured I'd give y'all an update on my firearm system and my firearm collection here. First off, we're going to start off with my firearm panel. Here I got my Firelight MS2 firearm control panel. The Firelight MS2 control panel has 2 zones and one NAC circuit. I'll be glad to open up and show you guys. Inside is my firearm control panel. It's the battery wires, and of course, when you want to have no troubles on your panel, you're gonna need resistors. See, the right kind of resistors to use are the 4.7K ohm resistors, or resistors that originally comes with the panel. If you have the resistors. So that's my Firelight MS2. And over here, I got my Firelight MS4 firearm control panel. As you can see, I got a trouble as I have the horns disabled, and I have zone 2 disabled, which I'll explain there when I do a little test of the panel. Okay, we're gonna start now with my notification appliances. Over there, I got 2 System Sensor Spectralure Classics. Next, I got a System Sensor Mass AEA. Over there, I got my System Sensor System Sensor MA/SS24. Over there, I got my System Sensor Spectralure P2R. And over here, I got my System Sensor Mass 24LO. Over here I got my Gentex GOS horn strobe. I got 2 Wheelock 7002T/24. And then I got my Wheelock MT with the horizontal strobe. It's got the 1575 candela. And over here I got 2 Wheelock NS's horn strobes. It's got 4 candela selections there. It's got 75, 15, 30, and 110. Over there I got my Simplex 2901 93/8. That's a silver plate inside. And over here I got a Simplex 4903 9215 horn strobe. And over here I got my Gentex Commander 2. And over here I got my Wheelock MIZ. And over here I got my EST Genesis horn strobe. And the notification appliances I have wired up there to my main panel. This here is another Simplex 2901 93/8. It's got the dark plate on there. And over here is my Wheelock AS. This is the wall mount version horn strobe. That's the lighting. You see that's kind of funky right there. Now here I have another Wheelock AS. This one's the ceiling mount version horn strobe. And over here I got my AMSCO BZ51/PC2 horn. Those are all my notification appliances. Now we're going to go out to my initiating devices. Right here I got an ADT pull station. This one's like the Harrington Signal pull station. Doesn't say the model on this one, but it takes a 211 key. Over here I got my Firelight BG12 pull station, and over here I have my Gamewell Sentry. This is the Gamewell Envoy 6-28T. And over here is the key reset cover for the Gamewell Sentry pull station, just like the SDX used to have. And all this one really is they can just put it behind the pull station and then make it a key reset cover there, or if you prefer, you can use it as a normal pull station cover or pull station. And over here I have a Johnson Controls pulsation, also known as the Notifier NBG10L. Now it's not going to go off because I have the horns disabled. I'll open it up and show you. See inside the pull here. It is, and it's actually the Johnson Controls BG10L. Also, like I said, also known as the Notifier NBG10L, because it takes a notifier key. And over here, I get a Simplex 425120 T-bar pulsation. Now this one's not going to go up either because I have the zone disabled. That's the inside of there. And over here I get my System Sensor i3 2-wire smoke detector. This one is also a heat detector. That's my bedroom smoke detector. And in here I got my closet smoke detector. This one's just a smoke detector. So it's a System Sensor i3 2-wire smoke detector. And over here is my other smoke detector, System Sensor i3 2-wire. And for the other pull stations, here I have a Firelight BG12L. See, this one's not gonna go out unless you flip the switch down. See, like I said there, that's a Firelight BG12L. And up here, I have a Notifier NBG12L pull station. See how that says NBG12? See, that's actually wrong here because it's got the key lock on there. So it's a Notifier NBG12L. We'll do a little test of the firearm control panel here. Put zone 2 back online. See, I have the NACS disabled, and how this actually works with my main firearm system here. I have the horns wired to NAC 1, and then on NAC 2 I have the Wheelock ASs, and those are the little jumpers here I pulled out from the volume there. I'm using the Wheelock ASs as remote strobes only. So I'll be doing a little test of that, and then I made another video with the horns going out there. I'll be doing that in the separate video. So here's a little test there without the horns. Okay, I'm gonna pull this box here. I'm just gonna open it with the key. And all you're gonna see is just the strobes. First, you're gonna see the strobes out of sync first, and then I'm gonna do it with the synchronization too. So here we go. See there, you see how you see they're starting to get out of sync here. Now I'm gonna silence that. I'll reset the panel. Here we got a reset in the system here. Now there's two ways there to do an audible silence there. Since it's just strobes only. So I'm gonna turn on Wheelock Sync, which is switch 3, dip switch 5 and 6, and then you can either turn on selective silence or put it for NAC 2 non-silenceable. I think I'm gonna use NAC 2 non-silenceable. So NAC 2 non-silenceable. See, they're in perfect sync here. The background noise you hear is just my air conditioner. Now I'm gonna hit the silencer. See, I still got the strobes flashing. Now I'm gonna reset. Here we got a reset on the panel here. Gotta acknowledge that. Okay, the system's reset. Now I'm gonna turn everything back to normal here. And that is it with my fire alarm collection update there and quick system test. I thank you guys for watching. Please stay tuned for more videos. Take care.